Huh. Now we start next problem. Right. Calculate the acceleration due to gravity. Calculate the acceleration due to gravity at a height of at a height of 300 kilometer 300 kilometer from the surface of earth from the surface of earth. There are given quantities. Mass of the earth is equal to 5.98 10 to the power 24 kilogram. Then universal gravitational constant G equal to 6.67 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. Radius of the earth is equal to 6400 kilometer. Height is given h equal to 300 kilometer. Now we have to calculate here acceleration due to gravity. That means we have to calculate here g. So we know that formula gh equal to gm upon r square. Gm upon r square. Or we have to write here small r. And small r is equal to capital R plus h. So that is equal to 6700 kilometer. Now convert this kilometer into meter. So we write here that is equal to 6.7 into 10 to the power 6 meter. That is equal to small r. Now substitute this value in this formula. We get acceleration due to gravity gh equal to value of g equal to 6.67 10 to the power minus 11 mass is given 5.98 into 10 to the power 24 divided by 6.7 10 to the power 6 bracket square. Now solve this. We get gh equal to 6.67 into 5.98 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 10 to the power 24 here 10 to the power 6 bracket raised to power 2 that is equal to 10 to the power 12. Now shift this here. We get 10 to the power minus 12 divided by 6.7 bracket square. Now we write here 10 to the power minus 11 10 to the power minus 12 that is equal to 10 to the power 23 minus 23 plus 24. So we get 10 to the power minus 1 here. Now we have to solve this using logarithm. So we write here log 6.67 plus log of 5.98 divided by 2 log 6.7. Now there 6 is single digit, so we have to take here 0 characteristics. For 5 again 0 characteristics. Now find log of 66. headed by 7. So that is equal to 8241 log of 59 headed by 8, that is equal to 7767. 7767. We have to again add here log 10 plus log 10 is equal to 10 means 2 digit. We have to take one characteristic. Logarithm of 10 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Now log of 2 log 6.7, because there is a square. Square means we have to take twice log of 6.7, and log of 6.7 is equal to 2 into 0.8261. So we have to multiply this by 2. Take addition of these three. Addition of these three equal to 2.6008. And twice of that is equal to multiply by 2 into log of 6.7, and value of this is equal to, we get 1.6522. Now subtract this and find antilog. So antilog of that subtraction is equal to 0.9486. Now we get acceleration due to gravity at height h is equal to antilog of 0.9486, that is equal to 8884. Here characteristic is 0, so we have to add 1 in that characteristic. After single digit we give decimal, so that is equal to GH is equal to 8.884, and unit of that is equal to meter per second square. So we got acceleration due to gravity at a height from the surface of Earth above 300 km. The value of G is equal to 8.884 meter per second square. Now we solve another example. Now we take problem number 7. Calculate the speed of a satellite in an orbit at a height of 1000 km from the Earth's surface. Here given mass of the Earth is equal to 5.98 10 to the power 24 kilogram. Universal gravitational constant 6.67 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. Radius of the Earth is given 6400 kilometer. Now height is given, height is equal to 1000 kilometer. So we have to add this, R equal to capital R plus H. So that is equal to 7400 kilometer. Now convert kilometer into meter. We get that is equal to 7.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. We have to calculate here the speed of satellite. Now the speed of satellite is given by formula critical velocity Vc equal to under root gm upon r. Under root gm divided by r. Now substitute value here. We get Vc equal to value of g 6.67 10 to the power minus 11 capital M 5.98 10 to the power 24 divided by R 7.4 10 to the power 6. solve this. We get velocity or critical velocity is equal to 6.67 into 5.98 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 10 to the power minus 6. There is a plus 6. When we shift it to numerator, it becomes negative. So that is equal to 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power plus 24 divided by 7.4. So critical velocity is equal to under root 6.67 into 5.98 divided by 7.4 into here 10 to the power minus 11, 10 to the power minus 6, that is equal to minus 70, and 10 to the power 24 plus 24 minus 70, that is equal to 10 to the power plus 7 remaining. We have to shift here decimal after 1 point. So that is equal to 59.8, and here is a 10 to the power 6. When we take out 10 to the power 6 out of that square root, we get that is equal to VC equal to 6.67 into 59.8 divided by 7.4 out of square root, that is equal to 10 to the power 3. Now we solve this using logarithm. So take log 6.67 plus log 59.8 minus log of 7.4. Now log of 6.67 is equal to 0.8241. Here 59 is a 2 digit, so we have to take here one characteristics. Log of 59 headed by 8, that is equal to 1.7767. When we add these two, we get 2.6008. Again 7 characteristic becomes 0. Log of 74 headed by 0, that is equal to 8692. Subtract this. We get that is equal to 1.7316. But all these values are in a square root. To solve this square root, we have to divide it or multiply it by half or divide it by 2. When we divide this value by 2, we get it is equal to antilog of, त्याला 2 ने आपण डिवाइड करू. डिवाइड केलं तर आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू मिळेल या ठिकाणी 0.8658. तर अँटीलॉग आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करूया. लिहिता VC इक्वल टू 86 अँटीलॉग 5 मध्ये मीन डिफरन्स 8 मध्ये त्याची व्हॅल्यू 7341. कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक 0 आहे. 0 मध्ये 1 ऍड केला, एक नंतर लेफ्ट हँड डेसिमल देऊ आपण, त्याची व्हॅल्यू 7.341 इनटू हा फॅक्टर आपण कॅल्क्युलेशन मध्ये घेतला नाही, इथे लिहिता येईल 10 टू द पॉवर 3. म्हणजे आपल्याला आन्सर मिळेल या ठिकाणी स्पीड किंवा व्हेलॉसिटी ऑफ ए सॅटेलाइट is equal to 7.341 10 to the power 3 meter per second. Meter per second. What? So the next problem number 9. A planet has a mass 6.4 10 to the power 24 kilogram and radius is given 3.4 10 to the power 6 meter. Calculate energy required to remove an object of a mass 800 kilogram from the surface of the planet to infinity. That means we have to calculate here binding energy. So given mass is given 6.4 10 to the power 24 kilogram. Universal gravitational constant is given 6.67 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. Our radius is given 3.4 10 to the power 6 and mass of object is given. Mass of object is equal to 800 kilogram. So we have to calculate here binding energy. Now we know that binding energy is equal to GMM upon R. GMM divided by R. So all values are given in SI unit. Now substitute this value. We get G equal to 6.67 10 to the power minus 11. Mass is given 6.4 10 to the power 24. Mass of body is given 800 divided by 3.4 10 to the power 6. This 800 can be written as 8 into 10 to the power 2. We can write here 800 is equal to 8 into 10 to the power 2. So we write here binding energy is equal to 6.67 into 6.4 into 8 into. See here there is a 10 to the power minus 11, 10 to the power 24, 10 to the power 2. Now shift this 10 to the power 6 to numerator, it becomes negative, minus 6, divided by 3.4. So we get binding energy is equal to, here 10 to the power minus 11, minus 6, minus 70. 10 to the power 24 plus 2, 26. So 10 to the power 26 minus 10 to the power minus 70, that is equal to 10 to the power 9 is remaining. So we get 10 to the power 9 here. So binding energy is equal to 6.67 into 6.4 into 8 divided by 3.4 into 10 to the power 9. Now solve this using logarithm again. We get log 6.67 log 6.4 log 8 minus log 3.4. So their characteristic becomes 0, 0, 0, 0. लॉग पाहिजे 66 चा 7 मध्ये आपल्याला या ठिकाणी लॉग येईल 66 चा 7 मध्ये त्याची व्हॅल्यू येईल या ठिकाणी 8241. लॉग पाहिजे आपल्याला 64 चा 0 मध्ये त्याची व्हॅल्यू येईल 8062. लॉग पाहू आपण या ठिकाणी 80 चा 0 मध्ये 9031. लॉग पाहिजे 3.4 चा 34 चा 0 मध्ये 5315. तिघाचं ऍडिशन करून त्याच्यातून सबट्रॅक्ट करायचं आणि आलेल्याचा आपल्याला अँटी लॉग फाइंड आउट करायचा. तर त्याचे ऍडिशन येईल या ठिकाणी 2.5334. when we subtract this number we get 2.0019. so anti log of that number. आता अँटी लॉग पाहिजे या ठिकाणी 0.00 चा 1 मध्ये मीन डिफरन्स 9 मध्ये त्याची व्हॅल्यू या ठिकाणी 1004. 1004. आता या ठिकाणी आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू राहिली 10 टू द पॉवर 9. ही व्हॅल्यू आपण घेतली नाही. आपण इथे या ठिकाणी 2 आहे 2 मध्ये असल्यानंतर अँटीक्लॉक पाथ असताना आपण त्याच्यामध्ये एक ऍड करतो. 2 मध्ये एक ऍड केला तर 3 नंबर येईल. 3 नंतर आपल्याला डेसिमल लिहायचा 100.4 इंटू 10 टू द पॉवर 9 किंवा आपण हा डेसिमल इकडे शिफ्ट करू. याला लिहिता येईल बाइंडिंग एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू 1.004 इंटू 10 टू द पॉवर 2 ने आपण या ठिकाणी डेसिमल इकडे शिफ्ट केला, याची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला या ठिकाणी वाढेल. 10 टू द पॉवर लिहिता येईल 11. युनिट असतं बाइंडिंग एनर्जी जूल. सो वी गेट बाइंडिंग एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू 1.004 into 10 to the power 11 joule. आता बघ